This is M11 to West Village-Abingdon Sq. This stop is Riverbank and State Park. Next stop, Riverside Drive and West 145th Street. This stop is Riverside Drive and West 145th Street. Next stop, Riverside Drive and West 142nd Street. This stop is Riverside Drive and West 142nd Street. Next stop, Riverside Drive and West 139th Street. This stop is Riverside Drive and West 139th Street. Next stop, West 135th Street and Riverside Drive. Transfer available to M5 Limited. This stop is West 135th Street and Riverside Drive. Next stop, West 135th Street and Broadway. Transfers available to the 1 train and M4. This stop is West 135th Street and Broadway. Next stop, West 135th Street and Amsterdam Avenue. Transfers available to M100 and M101 Limited. This stop is West 135th Street and Amsterdam Avenue. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 131st Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 131st Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 129th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 129th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 125th Street. Transfers available to M125 and M60 SBS. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 125th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 123rd Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 123rd Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 120th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 120th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 118th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 118th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 116th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 116th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 114th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 114th Street. Next stop, Amsterdam Avenue and West 112th Street. This stop is Amsterdam Avenue and West 112th Street. Next stop, Cathedral Parkway and Amsterdam Avenue. Transfer available to M4. This stop is Cathedral Parkway and Amsterdam Avenue. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and Cathedral Parkway. This stop is Columbus Avenue and Cathedral Parkway. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 108th Street. Transfer available to M3. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 108th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 106th Street. Transfers available to M116 and M7. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 106th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 102nd Street. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 102nd Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 100th Street. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 100th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 97th Street. Transfers available to the 1, 2, 3 and C trains, M106 and M96. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 97th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 94th Street. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 94th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 92nd Street. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 92nd Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 89th Street. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 89th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 86th Street. Transfer available to M86 SBS. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 86th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 84th Street. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 84th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 80th Street. Transfer available to M79 SBS. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 80th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 78th Street. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 78th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 75th Street. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 75th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 72nd Street. Transfers available to the C train and M72. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 72nd Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 69th Street. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 69th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 66th Street. Transfers available to the 1 train and M66. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 66th Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 63rd Street. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 63rd Street. Next stop, Columbus Avenue and West 61st Street. This stop is Columbus Avenue and West 61st Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 59th Street. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 59th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 57th Street. Transfers available to M12, M31 and M57. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 57th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 55th Street. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 55th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 52nd Street. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 52nd Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 50th Street. Transfer available to M50. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 50th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 46th Street. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 46th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 44th Street. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 44th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 42nd Street. Transfer available to M42. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 42nd Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 40th Street. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 40th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 34th Street. Transfers available to M34 SBS and M34A SBS. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 34th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 30th Street. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 30th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 28th Street. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 28th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 25th Street. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 25th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 23rd Street. Transfer available to M23 SBS. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 23rd Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 20th Street. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 20th Street. Next stop, 9th Avenue and West 18th Street. Transfer available to M14D SBS. This stop is 9th Avenue and West 18th Street. Next stop, Hudson Street and West 13th Street. Transfer available to M14D SBS. This stop is Hudson Street and West 13th Street. Next stop, Hudson Street and Horatio Street. This stop is Hudson Street and Horatio Street. Next stop, Hudson Street and Bethune Street. Transfer available to M14A SBS. This stop is Hudson Street and Bethune Street. This is M11 to West Village-Abingdon Sq.